can all appreciate having some sort of available leaf of some sort to at least decrease the amount of bugs that are bothering us. Maybe it's Will White here at Pike Antler Survival School, bringing you a very useful video and a myth being busted on natural leaves out in the wild that are decent bug repellent. Who's this for? Hunters primarily, or maybe you just like to go outside and maybe spend some time doing some meditation or something. I am one mother. Goose frobble, goose frobble. I'm thinking archery season's coming up. Maybe I get to my tree stand or my hunting spot. You know, it's freaking warm because it's September. And the bugs start pouring in. And I'm like, I forgot about the bug deterrent. But I do remember passing this tree. So what if there's something already in the woods that will actually decrease the amount of bugs that you interact with? I'd say that's a win. Sassafras has been rumored to be a decent bug repellent because it smells like citronella, and it does. But you'll see here in a second, I did an experiment. I drew some bugs in with my dog's poop. And all I did, I broke up some leaves. 2 in theory would work. 1 was tulip poplar, just a general leaf, just to make the experiment constant. My theory was sassafras would be the best bug deterrent. But you'd be surprised what I learned. You're about to learn it too. Before we move on with the video, I'm going to invite you to download my free ebook on my top 5 favorite evergreen medicinal plants. It's free, it's educational, simple to understand. I'm not giving you, 30 different uses for each plant or fungi. Just 1, maybe 2, how to identify it, what it's good for, and some tips on how to use it in the field. So if you're an outdoor enthusiast, this is something that you would greatly benefit from. Go to pikeantlerproject.com, fill out the big red box, and you'll get it in your email right away. So what we can do is use the tree, for sitting in our tree stand or just sitting on the ground. We get a couple of the branches and stick them around us. 1, camouflage. 2, it's gonna deter the bug. 3, it's gonna break up our silhouette, which is part of camouflage, I know. But the great thing about this is you can just find this in the woods, grab a branch, break up some leaves, rub it on you. So what is this tree? The tree is Spicebush. This is what it looks like when you tear a branch off, but let me go into a little bit more detail. But something I'm noticing is some of these are shaped somewhat like hickory. Got a nice curve to it, dark leaves, not very reflective, kind of like a flat, not a satin, but a flat color to it. This is another Spicebush. The younger, it looks like these primary vein or the center vein is pretty strong and pretty dark. A teardrop, the tip on the end. Got a bunch of littles, middles, and bigs. You got some berries here. It is June 1st. So you should know that these berries are present in June. So big, easy giveaway is the citronella smell. So we take a fresh leaf, crush it up a little bit. Whew, strong like citronella, which is why we're going to try this today to see if it is a bug deterrent. Right now there's little gnats flying around. I'm going to just squeeze some of this and just rub it on, see if this... Let's let the experiment start now. No bugs. Now, this experiment is based off of flies, not so much mosquitoes and gnats. We're going to use flies as the example, and you'll see it's a very clear result. One of these leaves had the least amount of visitors, least amount of flies. So in a pinch, will this help? Yes. Will it work 100% and deter all bugs? I doubt it, but this is more of a survival approach and a lack of preparedness approach. You're in the woods already, like, I didn't bring any bug repellent. I can use this tree. And also for us hunters, bug spray, that has a scent. That's not ideal. If we can find something pure and natural that deters bugs while in the woods, that's a win on 3 different levels. It's in the woods already, it works, and it doesn't violate the scent because it's all natural. It's a leaf. And next time you're in the woods and you get some repellent, try it out. And drop some comments. Let me know how it works or it doesn't work. Again, this is theoretical. It works on flies. I don't know about mosquitoes and gnats. Break the leaves up, get some bruising going. Looks strange, but if you're trying to get that harvest or trying to enjoy the time outside, who cares?